Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We have now got issue 106 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. Okay, so 106 of the Terminator. I picked this up last week on Saturday, and I also got issue 107. But first off, how do you like the new model shed? As you can see, we've got some bits and bobs around here. We've moved into a new sort of workspace, a bit of a larger area to work in, so we can pretty much work on bigger projects, I guess. But let me show you what we get in 106. So this is the magazine for 106. We get the circuit board in this one, as you can see. So in this one, we did get a little note. So it's there just telling us that issue 107 wasn't going to be coming out until the 28th of April. It was past the 28th of April when I picked this up, so I did get 107 with this, so that's pretty good. So what we're doing inside, basically all we're going to be doing in this one is just attaching the circuit board onto the back of the head, just here, just like that. It doesn't ask us to wire it up or nothing. That will be done in the next issue. So if I'd have picked this up last week, I would have done the wiring up in it anyway. But because I've got issue 107, I will leave that there for that. And let's take a quick look at what's coming up in 107. As you can see, we get all that. We get the back of the skull, the magnets for that. These are the two piston parts for the neck, so the back of the head. And then we get all these bits here, which are for making up our first LED light for the base. Okay, so as you can see, there's not too much to do in this one, so I am going to film this one and 107 pretty much together. So 106 will be out today, 107 will be out tomorrow. So let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so here it is here. This is our circuit board here. As you can see, quite a few plugs on there to put in. There's a little button there on top as well. So we're going to get the Terminator in and we're going to install this on the back of the head. Alright, okay, so we need to move these wires out of the way. This is basically just going to sit just on there, just like that. We're going to put two screws in, one just here and one just here. So let's get them in first. Put the first one in. Move it down here, secure that down, all the way down, make sure the second hole's lined up, and put the second one in as well. Just like that, and then just make sure they're nice and nipped up, don't go too tight because you don't want to break it. But yeah, that is that part all done. So as you can see, I've got all the parts for 107 here. I will be doing this video pretty much now. I'll start this one, get this one done as well, and that video will be out tomorrow. So there you go, guys. That was a nice short and sweet video. Just two screws to do in that one, really. So not really too much to do. So make sure you join me tomorrow when we actually finish the Terminator. We put all the rest of the parts on. The last final parts go on in. And yeah, that's it finished. We're just moving on to the base. So we're starting the base. And yeah, I think the next 13, 14 issues will be the base and probably the remote control as well. So yeah, pretty cool. So I hope you like this video, guys. Make sure you join me tomorrow for issue 107. If you did like this video, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.